At least 9 people were killed and several others sustained critical injuries when a truck carrying fruit vendors plunged into a 50-meter deep valley near the Kageri petrol station in Yellapur, Uttara Kannada district of Karnataka early Wednesday morning. According to initial reports, the truck was traveling from Savanur in Haveri district to the Kumta market in Uttara Kannada with over 40 traders on board. The vendors were en route to the Yellapur fair to sell fruits when the accident happened on the Savanur Hubli road. The tragedy took place around 5:30 am when the driver, attempting to give way to another vehicle, deviated too far to the left and plunged into the steep valley, Uttara Kannada Superintendent of Police M. Narayana said. The deceased have been identified as 45-year-old Fayaz Imam Saab Jamkhandi, 35-year-old Wasim Virullah Mudageri, 20-year-old Ijaz Mustaqa Mullah, 30-year-old Sadiq Basha Farash, 40-year-old Ghulam Ushan Textile, 36-year-old Imtiaz Mamjapur Mulakeri, 25-year-old Alpaz Zafar Mandakki, 25-year-old Jilani Abdul Jakhati, 24-year-old Aslam Babuli Benni. The incident occurred in a forested section of the road which reportedly lacked a protective wall, making it vulnerable to accidents. The local police, with the help of residents, carried out rescue operation despite poor mobile connectivity in the area. The injured were immediately shifted to KIMS Hospital in Hubballi for treatment. Authorities have confirmed that more than 10 people sustained serious injuries and the death toll is expected to rise as several victims are in critical condition. Police investigations are underway to determine the exact cause of the calamity.